Installing your mighty 460 Rowland conversion on the Glock 21. Remove your conversion from its packaging and you'll find a 24-pound flat wound recoil spring assembly, tube of Loctite, an Allen wrench for the set screw, and the all-important 460 Rowland barrel and compensator with integral set screw. Take apart your stock Glock 21, remove the magazine, check for a round in the chamber, check it again. Can't check that too many times. Remove your slide. Remove your stock recoil spring and your stock Glock 21 barrel. Unscrew your compensator and install your 460 Rowland barrel in the slide. Move the slide out of battery so that the barrel is free of the slide. We don't want to get Loctite between the barrel and the slide. Apply a thin bead of Loctite to the end of your barrel. Sometimes the Loctite doesn't want to cooperate right away, but that's okay. Again, don't move the slide back into your, don't move the barrel back into your slide. Install your compensator to where you think that it ought to be. With the main ports oriented vertically, and the rest of the compensator lined up nice and square. Remove any Loctite that might have squeegeed out down the threads of the barrel. Now you can see that that is installed with a large gap, which is fine. That'll operate perfectly well, but for aesthetic reasons, you might want to do it another turn, maybe 2 more turns. Now that one is too tight. It's touching the slide, so we're going to back it off so that there's a gap. Now we remove the set screw. Apply some Loctite to the threads of the set screw. And install the set screw into the compensator. Just gently take off any excess Loctite and then go back down there and check to see that none of the Loctite squeegees its way out through the bottom of the set screw. Recheck your installation, make sure that it's nice and square. Everything looks good. Now we can do the final tightening on the set screw. Not too tight, just snug. 18 to 20 hours later, you'll be able to shoot. Install your 24-pound recoil assembly. Reassemble the handgun. Insert your magazine, and you're ready to rock and roll.